In every modern factory, machines drive production, mixing, filling, sealing, and packaging the products we rely on daily. We trust these products are safe and effective, but that trust is built on rigorous checks. Equipment qualification is a formal process that proves a machine is fit for its intended use. Without it, manufacturing would be guesswork, unacceptable for products that impact health. Imagine a medicine bottle filler. Too little or too much can harm patients. Qualification prevents such errors by providing documented proof that equipment is installed and operates as designed. It's not just best practice. It's a regulatory requirement in industries like pharmaceuticals and medical devices. The process ensures the right machine is chosen, properly set up, and verified to work reliably in real production. Each step is carefully planned, executed, and documented, creating a traceable history for every machine. This history is reviewed by quality teams and regulators to confirm compliance and commitment to safety. Equipment qualification is more than a technical task. It's a pillar of quality management. It directly impacts product safety, consistency, and a company's reputation. Failures can lead to recalls, financial loss, and lost trust. A thorough qualification process demonstrates a manufacturer's commitment to excellence. It shows responsibility to consumers who depend on these products. By qualifying equipment, companies protect both people and their own future. In this video, we'll break down the key stages of this vital process. Let's see how each step ensures reliable, safe manufacturing. Think of equipment qualification as a machine's job interview and performance review. Before a new machine starts work, it must prove it's right for the job and can perform consistently. This isn't a single event, but a series of checks, each verifying a different aspect of suitability. It's like building a house. You need the right plans, a solid foundation, and working systems before moving in. Qualification collects documented proof that equipment will function as intended every time. The process is broken into steps: DQ, IQ, OK, and PQ, each answering a critical question. Does the design meet needs? Is it installed correctly? Do all functions work? Can it make a perfect product repeatedly? Modern machines are complex. A small error can ruin an entire batch. Qualification systematically checks every critical component, replacing assumptions with verified data. It's about managing risk, preventing problems before they affect quality. By qualifying equipment, companies invest in reliability and reduce failures and waste. This isn't just regulatory box ticking, it's a declaration of confidence in the tools used to serve customers. Equipment qualification is the backbone of safe, high-quality manufacturing. Design qualification, or DQ, is the first step, done before a machine is ordered or built. It verifies that the proposed design meets the company's needs, documented in a User Requirement Specification, URS. The team compares machine specs to requirements. Can it produce the needed output? Are materials safe and easy to clean? DQ prevents costly mistakes by catching problems on paper, not after delivery. Experts from engineering, quality, and operations review technical drawings and challenge the design. The result is a formal report confirming the design is fit for purpose. This greenlights the purchase or build and forms the first record in the equipment's history. DQ sets a strong foundation for all later qualification steps. Getting the design right is the first step toward reliable manufacturing. After DQ, the machine arrives at the factory. Now comes installation qualification, or IQ. IQ verifies the equipment is installed correctly, following manufacturer specs and design requirements. The team checks all parts are present, undamaged, and in the right place with proper utility connections. Serial numbers are recorded for traceability, and all manuals and certificates are checked. For complex machines, materials and finishes are verified to match specifications. Every step is documented in a formal report, proving the equipment is ready for further testing. Without a successful IQ, moving forward would be risky. Improper installation can lead to unsafe operation or poor quality. IQ builds on DQ, ensuring the machine is set up for success. Only then can we move to the next stage, testing how it works. With installation complete, operational qualification, or OK, tests if the machine works as intended. Every function, buttons, sensors, alarms, is systematically tested against specifications. The OQ protocol lists all tests and acceptance criteria, like verifying temperature ranges or emergency stops. These tests are done without real product, focusing on the machine's operation. For example, a filling machine's pump speeds and safety features are checked at all settings. Results are documented in an OQ report, confirming the equipment operates safely and precisely. A successful OQ gives confidence in the machine's controls and reliability. Now, the equipment is ready for the final test. Can it make a quality product consistently? That's where performance qualification comes in. Performance qualification, or PQ, is the ultimate test, proving the machine can consistently make a quality product under real conditions. The machine runs with actual materials, operated by trained staff, following standard procedures. Typically, at least 3 consecutive successful batches are produced and tested for key quality attributes. Consistency is key. The machine must deliver the same results, batch after batch. Data from PQ runs are analyzed to confirm the process is stable and controlled. Any failures are investigated and resolved before approval. A successful PQ is the final evidence that the equipment is ready for routine production. It assures both the company and regulators that the process is robust. PQ is the final stamp of approval for reliable manufacturing. Equipment qualification has real-world impact, especially in health-critical industries. Take an autoclave in a medicine factory. DQ checks the chamber's size and materials, IQ verifies installation, OQ tests controls and sensors, and PQ proves it sterilizes reliably using biological indicators. Only after passing all steps can it be used for patient products, ensuring every batch is truly sterile. In food, a metal detector on a cereal line is vital for safety. DQ sets sensitivity requirements, IQ confirms correct installation, OQ tests detection and rejection mechanisms, and PQ ensures it consistently finds contaminants. Each step builds on the last, guaranteeing machines perform their critical roles. These examples show how qualification protects consumers, whether it's preventing infection or keeping food safe. The process is rigorous, but the stakes are high. Every qualified machine is a safeguard for public health. That's why qualification is standard in regulated industries. It's not just paperwork, it's protection. Each stage is essential for trust in the final product. Qualification is the invisible shield behind every safe product. That's the real value of doing it right. The 4 qualification stages, DQ, IQ, OQ, PQ, form a connected chain of evidence. Each step builds on the last, creating a strong link of quality assurance. DQ ensures the right concept and design, preventing costly mistakes. IQ confirms the machine is installed and ready to function. OQ tests every function, proving the equipment is mechanically and electronically sound. PQ is the final proof the machine can make a quality product consistently in real-world conditions. Together, these steps transform an idea into a trusted production process. A successful PQ is the culmination of the entire effort. This chain of qualification is what allows companies to trust their equipment and for customers to trust the products. It's a system that turns risk into reliability. That's how quality is built from the ground up. The responsibility for equipment qualification lies with the manufacturer, especially management. Regulatory agencies like the FDA or EMA enforce these requirements and inspect records. Skipping steps can mean fines, shutdowns, or worse, unsafe products reaching consumers. Following DQ, IQ, OK, and PQ isn't optional. It's essential for control and quality. Qualification specialists write protocols, oversee testing, and compile reports as official records. Their work is the objective evidence that tools are fit for purpose. They are the guardians of process integrity. Equipment qualification transforms new machinery into trusted assets. It's a promise of safety, consistency, and excellence to every customer. That's why qualification is the foundation of modern manufacturing.